welcome back, Sharon with Serena. Today I will teach you how to cut your own hair with a clipper and a scissor. Yes, it's gonna be short. This is way too much hair for me. I'm the type of girl that roll out of bed and go. Some people might say, oh Serena, this is not long. You don't know what long hair is. Yes, I do. This is a picture of me when I was in high school. Lovely, right? I hated it. It's too much work. Anytime I tie it up, I let it down, it gave me such a humongous headache. And besides, short hair doesn't mean anything. If you like short hair, cut it. Beauty is from inside out, right? So what do you need to cut your hair? Well, this cape to protect all the hair that's gonna fall down your body, and the rest is this. I probably don't use all of these pieces of equipment, but I'd rather have it than go searching for it during my haircut. Do you need this tennis ball? Well, this tennis ball is for this. It's to loosen my muscle. You know, with fibromyalgia, your muscle gets really tight, and cut my own hair. My muscle can be gnarly. To make it easy to cut, I use 2 clips to secure the hair. Make sure to separate the hair around the face so you can come back to it later. Okay, turn your clipper on. Don't use the clipping guard. I slowly move the clipper across the bundle of the hair so it doesn't snag or pull your hair. Of course, you can cut with a scissor, but it's easy for me to do this way. Notice that the hair is messy. Don't worry about it. Now, these things, the front, you're gonna cut later, so flip it, keep it out the way. Keep it this way. There you go. Right. Then take the guard, this guard right here, it's number 2. Put it in here, and make sure your clipper is open. This is closed, see it? Open. I like to cut gradually from the bottom of my ear to the middle and then at the edge of my ear. Cutting with a clipper, you have to go up and out like a 45 angle. Never go straight up. You will cut too much off and it's too round. I'll go to blend and creating a wedge appearance. On the side, turn your head so that the clipper can get to the hair. Then you take guard number 3 and you're gonna blend it. And make sure the T guard is open. Now what happens if it's pushed forward? You just cut it a little shorter. This way you have some room to play. And when you cut downward, on the side, you cut sideways, okay? Make sure to put your ear down so that the clipper can catch all the hair behind the ear. Oh, I forgot. When cutting with clipper, your hair should be dry. If you wet your hair, it is harder to cut with a clipper. Easier with the scissor. Well, at the bottom of the hairline, you will always have a couple of long hair. I get rid of it by using clipper number 2. Don't go up with your clipper, but go sideways. Remember, when blending, move downward with your clipper. Don't worry if you have a couple of hair here and there. You will clean it more later. Sometimes it's hard because you wear glasses. Take your glasses off and really go around the edge. And then push your clipper forward. Oh, finally, we get ready to cut the top of the hair. Now that's fun. Section in the middle. I think the bang is okay. Kind of alright. See, I would like to cut maybe half of it or quarter. Okay. So, see how I hold my hand? And you're gonna cut all that up with the clipper. But make sure you take off the guard. And then anything doesn't come off, take your scissor and trim them. All right. Okay, so you have your middle section. Now you cut the side. Now how you blend it. See? Right there. And you clean it with your scissor. Okay, that way it'll be even. Same thing on this side. Just cut that with your clipper. This one's pretty good. You know, something with right hand and left hand. Hold it. And then you blend it out. Right there. And you feel it with your hand. So you go right at the edge of your hand and you get it all the time. Not bad. Feel lighter. Well, what do you do with the rest of the scissor? With people with straight hair, thick hair, you cut it all even, it doesn't do anything. It just flap. So you need texturing scissor. It gives you some texture so you can move your hair around. So what I do is just I lift up the hair. You see that? And I go about halfway, maybe quarter way, and I just cut it. See? Do a couple of times. See how the hair to come out? And that gives you different texture. Same thing here. Hold it, cut it. To cut the side of the hair, I always use longer clipper guards and work my way down. I use clipper guard number 8 and I cut downward. Don't worry about perfection for the first time. You will see what I mean later. Do the same for the other side. It is safe to go over the top of the ear about a quarter or half an inch so the hair can blend together. Then I blend with guard number 6, remember downward. Do the same on the other side. The other image didn't work out. Couldn't see a darn thing. That's what happened when you're a one-woman crew. If it's still too long on the side, go back with guard number 8 and fine tune it. I should take out my glasses. If it's too long for you, you can go gradually down to guard number 5 or 4. Then the rest, use a scissor to shape it. Ooh, be careful around the ear, okay? And don't try to make it perfect yet. Just enough to see the shape and clean it at the end. Add texturizing to your haircut, especially for thick and straight hair. This way you can manipulate and play, yeah! If this is your first time to my channel, do subscribe and share. Love the choice of moving the hair wherever I like. And so one day I get up, I can have this type of hairdo. And the next day, Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.